All right, so you got a YouTube idea, but you got 3 things now to deal with. Number 1's going to be your thumbnail. Number 2 is going to be any audio or music that you might need. And number 3, now there's hundreds of thousands of social media gurus out there on YouTube telling you all the big tools to use. And I'm sure that video that they're putting out is sponsored by some of those people. This video isn't. This video has no sponsor. The sponsor is you for watching this. So that's why I'm going to show you today the 3 tools that I personally use to not only get this video going, but all my past videos and future videos. I always start out with these 3 tools. First up, ChatGPT for a jump start on my thumbnails. What I had here was this beautiful thumbnail design, shocked face, Temu box, arrow, $200 crossed out, price. I had the items that I purchased from Temu. Here, I cut nothing out. This is just screenshots from my phone, and then 2 references. So here's what it got the first time around. Okay, not too bad. It kept it square though. It did not do the aspect ratio like I asked. But overall, I was really impressed that it actually captured some of the items here. Some stuff I just couldn't tell what it was. I said, please make it 16 by 9. Now this looked way better. I kind of look like Courage JD here. It got the basic concept right, but it threw in some exhaust. It got kind of a generic thing and a weird ass steering wheel. So again, I said almost really pay attention to the details of the product. The carbon fiber steering wheel should be perfect. The roll of red forged carbon vinyl is vibrant. The carbon center console is perfect, and the back carbon fiber console. I didn't even finish that sentence. Boom, and here's what I got. As you can see, steering wheel looks nice. This is obviously something anybody can make or do, right? We can hold an orange box. I can pose and do a bunch of these with my camera, but then I gotta go in, spend more time on Photoshop doing that when I could be using that time more productively making content, okay? Now this has almost what I needed to do. Now, I took it into Photoshop. I darkened the sunglasses so you can't see my eyes really. Did the cross out here, put $50, that's actually what I paid. Added the Temu logo there, and then the arrow to the box of stuff. Really happy with it. Still did my own style. I like a little bit more of that noise and grungy and high contrast feel. Did not take long to do. This about 5 minutes of prompting, okay? Literally like not even a minute drawing this out. That's pretty good. So that was ChatGPT and just utilizing it for one piece of content. Started out with a very simple sketch, a couple images of products. We got ourselves a very workable starting point for a thumbnail. Next, we're gonna talk about my second favorite tool, which is Suno AI. Now, as a member of Envato Elements, obviously not sponsored, I pay a monthly fee to have access to stock footage, images, and most importantly, audio, which is really important to a YouTube video, filmmaking, advertisement, you name it, you can most likely find it on Envato Element. Now, problem being is there are many third-party companies out there who flag your content and pull it down and block it globally. And whether it's blocked globally or not, even if it's just marked copyright, can affect your views. So I thought to myself, what's the alternative to get something similar to what I'm trying to get? And that's where Suno AI comes in. So for this video that I'm shooting here, I'm gonna go to create. Now we can go simple or custom. You can actually add in some of your own lyrics, which I've done for other projects in the past. And you can even add styles and go instrumental. We're gonna go ahead and keep it simple just to show how easy it might be. So for this video, I want something that upbeat, lo-fi, vlog style, urban, hip hop, static. I don't know why, I just feel like that's gonna make it sound better. We're gonna go ahead and click instrumental because this is gonna be the backing audio that you're actually currently hearing right now throughout this entire video. We're gonna create. You can see some past projects here that I've worked on. Hello?
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 Hey, can you open the garage?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
All right, bye. And there you go, creating at home. I'll be right back. No, that's not good. Let's see what this one is. Okay, so I think it's the fast beat that's not Working in the garage. Exploration, lo-fi, video, vlog, blog. So as you can see, boom, it's already generated something here. I like that. Okay, let's see the next one. The sound sounds too... It started out good, but kind of has that kind of lovey-dovey sound. Oh. This here. Let's see if it goes... I'm gonna do one more creation, but we are gonna download this one. So as you can see, it won't let me fully download it yet because it hasn't generated the full length of the song yet. And this is a free account, by the way, so there you have it. Hey, what's this? 250 credits? Hey, you want to go ahead and create your own? Use my use this link I have down there. Give me some more credits so I can make more songs, all right? I'll save that one for another video. I like this one. Oh, this is the one. All right, now. All right, anyways, download. This is the song we're gonna use. Download anyways, there we go. Boom. Use this one. Boom. So number 3 on this list is going to be one that you've probably heard in most of these breakdowns, but it's for good reason, and that's going to be OpusClip. This is also a really good tool for editors, for multiple content creators, vlogs, podcasts. So right now it's gathering the clips for me. It says ETA 6 minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to let that go ahead and think. And we'll be back to see what it generated from that video of car mods from Temu. All right, so 6 minutes later, we have clips made. Now, again, what this does is it makes it into vertical format shorts or reels. It took only 6 minutes, and let's go ahead and see what it generated for us. So not only does it give you clips, it'll tell you the duration up top. It'll also give you title ideas. You can even edit these clips. Let's pick a random one here. Easy car mod you need right here. If you've got a lot of videos out there that you don't have time to sift through all your videos and edit vertical content, this is a great option for you. Even the free version. Okay, monthly, this is 30 bucks a month. Okay, if you want to go ahead and do the pro, and that's 300 credits a month. Not too bad, depending on how often you're going to be posting your videos. You rather get them all up front, then pay as you go. That's not too bad. Like I said, this would be the plan I would go with right here. Just starting out, I guess try it for a month for 15 bucks, but I would then go ahead and just pay the 175, and looks like you get a lot of added features here. Looks like you have a social media scheduler, which is huge. It could auto post, input from 10 plus sources, export it to Adobe Premiere Pro, which would be huge, so you can make your own changes. That's what I think is probably the most valuable part. Something that goes through and finds the content for you, analyzes and transcribes what's going on in the video, and then you can say, yep, cool, thanks for gathering this for me. I'll take it from here. Let me load that into Premiere Pro and I'll do what I want to it now at this point. That's where I think this is the strongest. I think this is pretty solid. And again, this is one that I just started using and I'm going to be using a lot more. And you betcha I'll be doing this 174 build annually. So you can't sleep on short form content. That's what gets people to your channel and looking at the videos even more. So there you have it. 3 AI tools that I use for every video that I put out on YouTube. Again, that's going to be ChatGPT to figure out and collaborate on the right YouTube thumbnail. Second, we got Suno AI for the audio and avoid a lot of those copyright strikes. And third, we're going to use OpusClips so we can go ahead and gather content from what we've already made and take it to the next step. And again, use that as a tool to enhance our short form content. I'm Jesse Navarro, Vintage Clash. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Bye.